Step into your garden and really look at the rocks around you. Those plain gray pebbles, the heavy iron-colored stones, the cracked, mossy chunks hiding under plants. You've walked past them 1,000 times without a second thought. But here's the twist. Some of the world's most valuable discoveries look exactly like these ordinary backyard rocks. Inside them can be fossil imprints, crystal pockets, rare minerals, and even fragments of meteorites that fell to Earth decades or centuries ago. Today, we're uncovering 10 common-looking garden rocks that could be hiding extraordinary secrets. By the end, you'll never walk through your yard the same way again. 1. Fossils hidden in strange patterned stones. Some stones look unusual, spirals, leaf imprints, or intricate textures, but they might be fossils. Ammonites, corals, trilobites, and prehistoric plants could be preserved inside. What makes them so valuable? Fossils are irreplaceable snapshots of life millions of years ago, often rare and highly sought after by museums and collectors. Small fossils can sell for $50 to $200, while rare large specimens can fetch thousands. Each fossil is a piece of ancient history, a tangible connection to a world long gone. No two are exactly alike. The rarity and preservation quality make them unique. Check rocks with unusual textures or patterns. Fossils often appear in sedimentary rocks like shale, limestone, or sandstone. Tap lightly. Some fossils may flake out with gentle pressure. Have you ever seen a spiral or leaf-like imprint in a rock and wondered what it might be? 2 meteorites masquerading as rusty metal chunks. Some heavy, dark, pitted rocks aren't just ordinary iron deposits. They could be meteorites. Their journey through space melts and reshapes them, giving them a unique crust, unusual density, and sometimes magnetic properties. Meteorites are literally extraterrestrial. Tiny fragments of planets or asteroids that traveled millions of years through space collectors prize them for their rarity and cosmic origin. $1 to $1,000 per gram, depending on size, composition, and rarity. A fist-sized iron meteorite can be worth thousands. Look for dense, heavy rocks with a dark, often rusty exterior. Many are magnetic and may have streaks of melted metal on the surface. Avoid rocks that are too shiny or uniform. Meteorites often have irregular shapes. 3. Malachite and azurite inside green. Crumbly stones. Some green or bluish stones are copper-rich minerals, malachite and azurite. At first glance, they seem crumbly or unremarkable, but polished, they reveal stunning swirls of emerald green and deep blue. These stones are prized for jewelry and decorative objects. No two patterns are alike. Each swirl and banding is completely unique. Small polished pieces can sell for $20 to $100. Larger specimens, $200 to $1,000, plus museum-quality samples can fetch much more. Look for crumbly, green-stained rocks, often in copper-rich soil. Clean gently to reveal the underlying color. Polishing brings out the full depth of color. Could the green rock in your garden actually be a hidden piece of natural art? 4. Native silver, disguised as heavy dark mineral. Lumps. Some dull metallic gray rocks are not ordinary mineral lumps. They are raw silver. Unlike jewelry, they appear tarnished, black, or gray. Silver is precious metal. Raw specimens are rare and highly sought after by mineral collectors, jewelers, and investors. Each lump can be refined or displayed as a unique natural specimen. Price range. Raw silver sells for 50 cents to $1.50 per gram for ordinary pieces. Museum quality or unusually large nuggets can reach thousands of dollars. Look for heavy, dense stones with metallic luster. Test for weight. Silver is unusually dense. Avoid rocks that feel too light or fragile. Have you ever picked up a rock and felt instantly that it was heavier than it looked? 5. Carnelian hidden in reddish river or garden pebbles. Smooth reddish stones can glow orange-red in sunlight. Carnelian has been prized since ancient times. Carnelian's deep color and translucence make it highly desirable for jewelry, carvings, and historical replicas. Price range. Small stones $10 to $50. Larger or flawless specimens $100 to $500 plus. How to look for them. Check reddish-brown pebbles in sunlit areas. Hold to sunlight. Translucence indicates carnelian. 6. Quartz. Crystal clusters buried under dirt and clay mud-covered rocks may hide clear, smoky, or milky quartz clusters inside. Why they're valuable. Collectors prize natural quartz points and clusters for display and metaphysical purposes. Large, pristine formations can sell for hundreds or thousands. Small clusters, $20 to $200. Large museum-quality specimens, $500 to $5,000 plus. Check dirt-covered lumps and gently wash to reveal crystals. Look for points or geometric shapes poking through the soil. 7. Amazonite and moonstone. Hidden in plain granite boulders. Granite often hides accessory minerals. Amazonite with green glow or moonstone with bluish sheen. These minerals are rare in the wild, prized for jewelry and display. Each specimen is unique in color, size, and shimmer. Small pieces $20 to $100. Large specimens $200 to $1,000 plus. Examine granite boulders for unusual color streaks or shimmer. Look for feldspar crystals that differ from the surrounding gray matrix. 8. Agate hidden inside ordinary pebbles. Gray or brown pebbles often hide fiery banded interiors. Red, yellow, orange, or deep blue patterns form over thousands of years, making each agate unique. Collectors prize agates for their intricate patterns. Polished slices are used in jewelry and decorative art. They are durable, beautiful, and naturally formed, making each piece one of a kind. Small polished slices, $10 to $100. Larger or rare colors, $200 to $1,000 plus. Look for smooth, rounded pebbles. Tap lightly. A hollow sound might indicate a geode-like cavity. Check for color streaks visible on the outside. What if the pebble by your walkway is worth more than your laptop? 9. Geodes disguised as ugly garden. Lumps, cauliflower-shaped lumps, often conceal hollow crystal caves. Amethyst, quartz, calcite, and citrine sparkle inside. Geodes combine rarity with beauty. Each crystal formation is unique. Collectors prize well-formed cavities and vibrant crystal colors. Price range? Small geodes, $20 to $100. Large amethyst-filled geodes, $500 to $3,000 plus. Museum-quality specimens can exceed $10,000. Look for lumpy, roundish rocks with rough surfaces. Heavier rocks often contain dense crystals inside. Tap lightly. Some geodes produce a hollow sound. 10. Garnet embedded inside, sparkly mica. Mica schist often looks like glittery, unremarkable rock, but red garnet crystals can be hidden inside. Garnets are gemstones used in jewelry. Collectors and jewelers prize garnets embedded in mica schist for their natural setting and clarity. Price range. Small garnet crystals, $10 to $50. Larger gem quality garnets, $200 to $2,000 plus. How to look for them. Look for shiny, flaky rocks. Red crystals peeking from mica layers are a clear sign. Carefully pry them out without breaking the crystal. Your garden is no longer just scenery. Ordinary rocks may hide fossils, meteorites, malachite, silver, agate, geodes, garnet, carnelian, quartz, or amazonite. Every pebble, every lumpy stone, every mossy boulder might hold a secret worth hundreds, even thousands of dollars. But here's the twist. The treasure isn't only inside those ordinary rocks. Sometimes all you have to do is lift one. Move the right stone, and you might find bright green peridot, blue-green amazonite, or even raw sapphires hiding in the soil. Tourmaline, aquamarine, garnet, even flashes of opal can appear in the dirt beneath a single rock. So now the mystery doubles. Valuable gems can be inside the rocks you ignore, and under them. Your next discovery might be one small rock lift away. 1. Peridot, the gem born of fire. Some treasures wait in the scars of volcanoes. This is Peridot, August's bright green gem, born in molten magma. As that magma cools into basalt, it traps the crystals inside. Erosion does the rest, loosening them to lie scattered in volcanic soil from Hawaii to the deserts of Saudi Arabia. Move the right stone, and sunlight will strike a crystal so green it seems to glow from within. The ancients called it the gem of the sun, a talisman against evil. That mystique remains, but finding it is simple. Walk a lava field and move a rock. That green sparkle winking back isn't glass. It's a fragment of the earth's fiery heart. 2. Amazonite, the turquoise stone. In the shadows of large boulders, especially near granite pegmatites, you can find a flash of color so distinct it looks like a piece of the Caribbean Sea washed onto land. That's Amazonite. This stunning blue-green feldspar forms in massive crystals that break apart over time. The best pieces are often protected from the weather, nestled directly under larger rocks. Prime hunting grounds include the Colorado Rockies, Russia, and Virginia. In the U.S., its color, a unique opaque turquoise, is unmistakable. Ancient cultures carved it into talismans, and it's said to have a calming energy. If you're in known feldspar country, make a habit of peeking under the lip of large, stable rocks. That startling blue-green glimpse isn't a piece of forgotten plastic. It's Amazonite, a serene and beautiful secret the earth left for you to find. 3. Sapphire, the treasure beneath the river boulder. Move a river rock. A flicker of blue light could mean you found what hunters in Sri Lanka and Montana seek: a raw sapphire. These gems travel for centuries in riverbeds, hiding beneath boulders. Miners find them by washing gravel and lifting stones, revealing a blue flash often mistaken for glass. The deepest blue is the rarest. But here's a secret. They also come in green, yellow, and pink. So if you see a shimmering pebble as you move a rock in a stream, don't rush. You might be holding a royal gem in its rawest form. 4. Tourmaline, the spectrum. Beneath the granite, tourmaline waits inside granite, forming long crystals that flash pink, green, or black. Move a piece of weathered granite in Brazil or California, and you might see narrow bands of color, like candy trapped in stone. These veins are often mistaken for quartz, but in sunlight, their true brilliance ignites. In varieties like watermelon tourmaline, the crystal is pink in the center, green on the edges. No two pieces are ever alike, so hike near granite cliffs and move a few rocks. What looks like a simple crack might be a vein of pure natural artistry. 5. Aquamarine, the frozen ocean in stone high up in mountain ranges, where the air thins and granite veins fracture, lies aquamarine, the sea trapped in stone. This blue-green gem is a member of the beryl family, cousin to emerald. It forms in pegmatite pockets, often beneath or between heavy granite slabs. In Pakistan's Shigar Valley or Brazil's Minas Gerais, miners have found perfect crystals simply by moving weathered boulders. The moment sunlight touches aquamarine, it glows with a soft, icy brilliance, like frozen seawater. Sailors once carried it for protection on long voyages, believing it calmed storms. 6. Garnet, the blood of the earth. A deep red flash in the dirt beneath a rock isn't glass, it's garnet. Born from extreme heat and metamorphic rock, these crystals wash into riverbeds worldwide, from Idaho to Madagascar. They often look like dull, dark pebbles until sunlight reveals their crimson glow, like the earth bleeding color. This is the traveler's gem, found almost anywhere its parent rock has fractured. 7. Opal, the rainbow beneath the stone. Stop if a gray or beige stone suddenly flashes color as you shift it. That's opal, a gemstone born from patience and trapped rain. Opals form when water seeps into cracks in sandstone or clay, carrying silica with it. Over time, that water evaporates, leaving behind millions of tiny silica spheres that diffract light into rainbow colors. Some of the richest opal fields are found in Australia's Lightning Ridge, in Ethiopia's Wello region, In places like these, a single rock turned over after rainfall can expose opal nodules glowing blue, green, or fiery red. There's no other gem quite like it. Fluid, alive, unpredictable. So if you ever see dull, chalky stones after a storm, move one carefully, because inside that plain rock might live a fire brighter than any flame. So now you've seen the 7 stones that can appear the moment you lift a rock. Keep exploring. Your next gemstone could be waiting right under your feet. And if you want more secrets like these, make sure you subscribe.